Hi guys, welcome to
Feed Me Good!
Today we'll be making pasta in white sauce. It is the kinds that you get at restaurants. The best part about it is that you can make it in 15 minutes and it is super easy. So let's get started. In a large pot, put 6 cups of water. The water to boil pasta should always be 3 times of the pasta's quantity. We will add 1 tablespoon of salt to the water and let it come to a boil. Then we will add 2 cups of pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice. Boil the pasta as per the packet instructions. Stir occasionally to make sure that your pasta does not stick to the bottom of the pot. We will boil the pasta till it is 75% done. To check if it's done properly, you can remove a pasta and cut it with a knife. The knife should not go through the pasta easily and there should be a certain bite to the pasta. Once we've achieved that, we will turn off the flame. Remove 2 cups of the pasta water. We will be using this later, so do not forget this step. Keep this pasta water aside and then we will strain the excess water from the pasta. Do not rinse your pasta at any cost. It will make the pasta lose its glossiness and the sauce will not be able to stick to the pasta. We will now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the pasta and coat our pasta with it. Adding olive oil while boiling the pasta does not help at all. It is an absolute waste of an effort. Do not do it. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of minced or finely chopped garlic. Saute the garlic till it turns brown. Then we will add half a cup of capsicum, 1/3 cup of sweet corn or American corn, 2 tablespoons of red bell peppers. We will saute this on a high flame for 1 minute. Then we will remove our sauteed vegetables from the pan. While that is happening, hit the like button. It is a great way to support us, so please make sure that you hit the like button. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon and select all to never miss any of our unique recipes. Moving back to the recipe, keep it aside. In the same pan, we will add 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter. We will mix the oil and butter and let the butter melt. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida and cook it till the maida turns off white. This mixture of maida and butter in this form is known as roux. Once the maida turns off white, lower the flame and add 2 cups of cold milk. Adding cold milk to hot roux prevents lump formation, but still make sure that you whisk the mixture immediately. To this, now we will add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half a tablespoon of oregano. We will mix everything and let it come to a boil. Once the mixture begins to boil, we will add our sauteed vegetables and also add our boiled pasta. Mix everything together, set the flame on high and let it come to a boil. add a reserved water to adjust the consistency. Do not add more milk or plain water. Milk will overpower the other ingredients of the pasta and water will make it bland. So adding the pasta water is the best thing to do. Once we mix everything together, let it boil for 1 minute and then we will lower the flame and add 1 cup or 100 grams of processed cheese. Make sure the cheese is at room temperature or else the milk will begin to curdle. Now we will mix the cheese and let it melt. Before the mixture comes to a boil, we will turn off the flame. Check for salt now, add more if required. And our pasta is ready. Do let us know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Feel free to share any recipe suggestions or feedback. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes and keep showing us your love.